Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the volume up and volume down buttons on your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote when they are not working. Let's start today's video. First, go to the home page of your Amazon Fire TV Stick. Once you are on the home screen, scroll across and go to the Settings option. You can find the Settings option at the end of the menu. Once you open Settings, you will see different options. Scroll down and look for Remotes and Bluetooth devices, or the option related to your Fire TV remote and game controllers. Now select that option. After opening it, you will see options related to your Fire TV remote and other connected devices. Here, select Amazon Fire TV remotes or Fire TV remotes. Once you open this section, you may see your connected Fire TV remote. If an update is available for the remote, you may also see an option to update it. For now, there is no update available on my device, so we will move to the next step. Now go back to the previous menu. Here you should find an option called Equipment Control. Select Equipment Control and open it. Inside Equipment Control, you will see an option related to your TV. Select Manage Equipment or TV depending on the version of Fire TV software you are using. Once you select this option, make it automatic. Then go back. Go to the second option, Manage Equipment. Now click on TV and scroll down to Change TV. The Fire TV Stick will ask you to wait while it searches for the available TV brands. You need to select the brand of your television. Every TV can have a different brand, so make sure you select the correct one. For example, my TV is Sansui, so I will search for Sansui in the list and select it. If you're using a Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, or another brand, simply select the brand that matches your TV. After selecting your TV brand, the Fire TV Stick will ask you to press the power button on your Fire TV Stick remote to turn off your TV. Press the power button once and wait for a moment. As you can see, my TV did not turn off the first time. If your TV also doesn't turn off, don't worry. The Fire TV Stick will ask you whether your TV turned off. If your TV turned off, select Yes. If your TV did not turn off, select No. In my case, the TV did not turn off, so I will select No and continue with the setup. Now the Fire TV Stick will try another power command. Wait for a few seconds and press the power button again when you're asked to. This time, you can see that my TV has turned off. Since the TV has now turned off successfully, select Yes. After that, the Fire TV Stick will move to the next step and test the volume controls. You may see a message asking you to make sure the volume is turned up before continuing. The Fire TV Stick will play some audio so that you can test whether the volume buttons are working correctly. Click on Next and wait for the audio to play. Now press the volume up and volume down buttons on your Fire TV Stick remote. As you can see, the volume is now working properly. If the volume buttons are working correctly, select Yes to confirm. Once you confirm, the Fire TV Stick will finish setting up the equipment controls. Finally, you will see a confirmation message that your Fire TV Stick has been successfully configured. Click OK, then press the back button to return to the home screen. So in this way, you can fix the volume up and volume down buttons on your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote by setting up the equipment control again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.